Hey, let's curl our hair. So I'm starting off with clean, dry hair and putting some hair mousse in my hair. And I always brush it out before I start. Now let's curl. I'm taking my Kobayashi Long Silk Curler. I'm taking small, clean sections and wrapping my hair around the curler. I wrapped 4 sections from front and then I started to take sections from back and twisting them like a braid. You can pause and see it slower. Now I'm wrapping the ends and I'm gonna take a medium scrunchie and secure it all. And now we have done one part of my hair. And now let's move to the other side. Wow, that was fast. This is how it looks when it's braided around the curler. And now I'm crossing it around and tying it off.